Hi everyone, welcome to Modern Miracles. Now, movies have always presented us with the idea of hoverboards and hoverbikes, and enthusiasts all over the world have always been eager to recreate and invent some of these cool flying machines that will change the course of future transport. So get ready to enjoy this amazing journey with us today, where we will showcase some of the most innovative and extraordinary personal flying machines that are available in the market. Scorpion 3. Here's presenting before you a hoverbike known by the name Scorpion 3. Designed by the Russian company Hoversurf, this incredible hoverbike is a hybrid between a bike and a drone. This amazing hoverbike can work in both the manual and automatic modes. Once fully charged, Scorpion 3 can fly up to 20 minutes at an incredible speed of 43 miles an hour. This flying machine has built-in self-balancing sensors, which eliminates the worry of manually balancing the bike while flying. Currently, the Scorpion 3 is being used by Dubai police to man its operations. Omni Hoverboard. If you are a Marvel fan, you must have seen the Green Goblin's flying machine, and our next hoverboard will remind you of exactly that. This incredibly amazing Omni Hoverboard has been designed by a Canadian man, and it took him a massive 5 years to build it completely. The Omni Hoverboard comprises 8 propellers, which help you soar high in the sky at incredible speeds. With the help of a joystick, you can easily control the movements while having a unique flying experience. Zapata Flyboard. When a video of a man flying on the Zapata flyboard went viral on the internet, people found it hard to believe that such a thing existed for real. But, to tell you the truth, the Zapata is a flying device for real and has been built and designed by Frank Zapata. Once charged fully, this cool machine can fly for 10 minutes at incredible heights of 10,000 feet at a speed of 93 miles per hour. What's even more interesting is that you can very easily control the movements of this unique flying machine with the help of a joystick. Arca Board. With the stunning Arca Board, you get to experience what you've always dreamed of. Designed especially for entertainment and recreation purposes, the Arca Board can ride across any terrain, be it water or ground. The Arca Board is known to be a revolutionary change in the modes of transportation. It can carry a person weighing up to 242 pounds for almost 6 minutes. The astonishing Arca Board is powered by 36 electric fans, which are sure to give you wings each time you fly. So be prepared, as your world will turn upside down with this mind-blowing flying machine. Lazareth LMV 496. If you've ever been stuck in endless queues of traffic, you would totally agree on the idea of having a flying bike. This four-wheeled beast is not just a bike, but also a flying machine. Totally changing the way we look at a two-wheeler, the Lazareth is a daring attempt to reach for the skies. Just with the press of a button, the turbine acts to push the machine into the sky. This stunning motorbike is equipped with a kerosene tank, and on a full tank, you can fly for a full 10 minutes. With the Lazareth, the future totally looks promising. What do you think about that? So that would be all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed all these futuristic flying machines we presented in this compilation. Before leaving, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever we release a new and amazing video.